If you're brand new to investing, choosing the right app can feel overwhelming. There are tons of options out there, and most videos just list apps without really explaining, who they're for or why you'd choose one over another.
You're gonna have to choose between me and Rocky.
So in this video, I'm breaking down the best investing apps for beginners, but I'm not just naming them, I'm explaining what each app is best for, why we labeled it that way, and the real pros and cons and costs you should know before you download anything. Now, this is coming from someone who believes investing doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be intentional. Let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm Sean with The Modest Wallet. If you aren't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It really means a lot, and it ensures you will receive a notification when we release our next video.
Like, follow, subscribe.
All right, let's get into it. The 7 best investing apps for beginners. First on the list is Robinhood. Now, we're calling Robinhood the best mobile-friendly app because it's one of the easiest investing apps to use, especially if this is your very first time buying a stock.
It's easy, very easy.
Robinhood was built mobile first. Everything is clean, simple, it's pretty intuitive. You can open an account, link your bank, and place trade in just a few taps. That ease of use is huge for beginners who don't want to feel intimidated the second that they open the app. A couple key features, there is the commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. There's the fractional shares, you don't need hundreds of dollars to start, and the very simple, clean interface. The pros that we found, it's extremely beginner-friendly, there's no trading commissions, and it's easy to learn the basics. In regards to cons, there are limited research and educational tools, and it can encourage frequent trading if you're not disciplined. As far as costs and fees, there's $0 in commissions, and there's the optional Robinhood Gold, which is a monthly fee for margin and the extras that they offer. So Robinhood is great if you want something simple. Just remember that easy trading still requires self-control. Second on our list is Webull. Webull now earns the title Best Advanced Charting Tools because it gives you significantly more data and visuals than most beginner apps without charging commissions. If you like seeing charts, indicators, and trends, Webull is a big step up. It's still accessible for beginners, but it leans more toward people who want to understand how markets move rather than just buy and hold.
Just buy it, hold it, and dream your dream.
Key features include advanced charting and technical indicators, extended hours trading, and commission-free trades. The pros, it's excellent analytics and charting, it's strong desktop and mobile platforms, and there are no trading fees. Cons, it can feel overwhelming at first, and there's less hand-holding for true beginners. Costs and fees, $0 in commissions, and there's also the optional paid market data subscriptions. So Webull is best if you're curious about why stocks move, not just owning them. Number 3 on the list is Coinbase. Coinbase is going to be our pick for best crypto investing because it's one of the safest and easiest ways for beginners to get exposure to cryptocurrency. Now, crypto can be confusing and volatile, so simplicity and trust really matter. Coinbase does a good job walking beginners through the process and even rewards you with small amounts of crypto for learning.
Because in this class, we're going to learn to love words.
As far as the key features, you can buy, sell, and hold major cryptocurrencies. They have educational rewards and the strong security and regulatory compliance. As far as the pros, it's very easy to use. They're trusted and widely adopted, and the helpful educational tools we mentioned. As far as the cons, there's higher fees than some competitors, and they're limited advanced tools unless you upgrade. As far as the costs, trading fees vary by transaction. Coinbase is best if you want crypto exposure without diving into risky or complicated platforms. Fourth on the list is Public. We're calling Public the best for fractional shares and transparent investing, and this is where it really stands out from other apps. Public makes investing accessible if you're starting with small amounts of money, but what truly separates it is how it makes money.
How to make money off that?
Unlike many platforms, Public does not use payment for order flow. That means the app isn't quietly benefiting from you trading more often. It's built to encourage thoughtful, long-term investing rather than quick emotional decisions. You can invest in fractional shares, see community insights, and learn why people are investing, not just what they're buying. Its key features include fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, no payment for order flow, and community-driven insights. In regards to its pros, it's very beginner-friendly, they have a transparent business model, and they encourage long-term investing. Their cons include limited advanced trading tools, and it's not ideal for active traders. Costs and fees, there's $0 commissions, there is an optional tipping model. Public is best if you want to start small and invest responsibly without feeling like the app is working against you. Fifth on our list is Dub. Dub earns the title Best for Following Proven Strategies because it's designed for beginners who want guidance and structure. Dub allows you to invest by copying real portfolios and strategies created by experienced investors or professionals. If you've ever thought, I want to invest, but I don't trust myself to pick the right stocks yet, this app fills the gap. Instead of reacting to headlines or emotions, you're following a disciplined strategy and learning along the way.
We're gonna survive this. We're gonna do it with strategy and discipline.
Some of their key features include a copy and mirror professional portfolio option, automatic portfolio updates, and clear performance tracking. In regards to pros, it's hands-off and beginner-friendly. It reduces emotional investing and the ability to learn by observing real strategies. When it comes to cons, there is less customization and it requires trust in the strategy you follow. When it comes to the cost of fees, subscription or management style fees, depending on the strategy. Dub is best if you want structure and accountability while building confidence as an investor. Sixth on our list is Fidelity. Fidelity is our choice for best mutual fund investing because it offers an excellent lineup of low-cost mutual funds with strong support. If you're thinking about long-term goals like retirement, Fidelity gives you powerful research tools and customer service that beginners really appreciate.
I appreciate that you appreciate that.
As far as key features, there's a large selection of mutual funds. There's the retirement account options and strong research and education. So our pros, there's no minimums on many funds. They have excellent customer service and it is a very trusted institution. There are two cons. The interface isn't the most modern and it can feel overwhelming initially. As far as the cost, many funds have $0 expense ratios and there are no account fees. Seventh and final on our list is Vanguard. Vanguard is hands down the best for passive investing. This platform is built for long-term investors who want low costs, consistency, and simplicity. Vanguard pioneered index funds and focuses on letting time and compound growth do the heavy lifting.
It involved a lot of lifting.
The key features include industry-leading index funds, extremely low expense ratios, and long-term focus. The pros that we found are the low costs, which keep more money invested. It's excellent for retirement investing and their proven track record. Cons, it's slightly outdated interface and it's not designed for frequent trading. So in regards to costs and fees, they have a very low fund expense ratio. Really some of the best in the business. There are some fund minimums. So there's no perfect investing app, only the one that fits your goals and your personality. If you want simple and mobile, Robinhood. For charts and data, you want Webull. For crypto, Coinbase. For small dollars and transparency, you want Public. For guided strategies, Dub is your best option. When it comes to mutual funds, Fidelity. And for passive investing, Vanguard is your choice. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Mosswald as we already asked. And drop a comment letting me know which app you're considering or even which one you've already used. Remember, investing isn't about being flashy, it's about being consistent. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.